Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, and today I'm here with Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage, and we wanted to talk about how do the rising interest rates affect our purchasing power. So Taylor, I've been working with some of my clients for the last 3 months trying to find that perfect house.
Yeah.
And the market's just been so competitive.
Yeah.
But the big thing that's changed in the last couple of months is interest rates are up almost a full percentage. How does that affect my buyer's purchasing power, or what do you recommend? How do you recommend they proceed?
So it really is true. Rates, I mean, read any news article. Rates are going up at the fastest pace in years. So it does affect how much you can qualify for. It does affect what your monthly payment's going to be, right?
Okay.
So give you a very general idea, don't quote me on this, but if it's a $250,000 house, the difference in 3 months ago rate versus today's rate is about $200 a month.
Wow,
That's big.
that's really big. Now, that directly affects, can you still afford that $250,000?
Exactly.
Okay.
Especially if you were tight before, now you might be just a shade over what you can afford. So
Okay.
definitely go back to your lender if he's not already contacted you,
Yeah.
and make sure you can still qualify for what you were already approved for.
That's a great piece of advice there. So
Yeah.
I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until next time.